What's up, guys? I know it's been a while since we posted a video, but we're trying to jump back into the YouTube thing. We've got a lot of cool stuff going on, a lot of racing planned for this year. So yeah, let's check it out. So first off, we got a new chassis. It's a Fox Body Mustang. It's a coupe. We took the motor out of the Nova and put it in the Mustang. We didn't change the motor at all. It's been working really good. Same transmission. So we did upgrade the turbo on it, and I'll show you guys that here in a second. But it's been working really well. It's still a 5.3, you know, E85 non-intercooled. Still on a Terminator X, and it's fun. It's a blast. You know, we love to go no prep racing, and that's what we've been doing. This weekend we're supposed to go to Twin City Raceway over in Monroe, Louisiana, and they have a King of the Back Half race with Sherry Beth, Trailer Park Mafia. So I'm sure we'll take you guys along and check that out. But yeah, let's show you guys the new car, and let's get her pulled out here. We'll do some maintenance before we go racing this weekend. All right, let's check it out. This is old Tony Montana. I guess let's go ahead and get her jacked up, and let's change the oil in it, because yeah, we're gonna go racing this weekend, and we've done 2 races so far on the oil that's in the motor right now. So let's go ahead and get her changed out. Guys, if you're not using Valvoline VR1, what are you doing? Come on. You gotta get on that VR1 sauce, dude. Alright. So it's done draining. Let's get this thing filled back up with oil. Put this Napa Platinum filter on here. Oh yeah. And let's get her started up, see if we got some oil pressure. Get ready to go racing, baby. Don't gotta be super tight, guys. Just tight enough. It ain't going nowhere. Get our laptop up here so we can make sure we got some oil pressure. There's our oil pressure right there. Fuel pump. I will be doing, or I'm going to try to do quite a bit of transmission content, automatic transmission content on this channel. I'm definitely not a professional builder, but I do build transmissions like for friends and just local people on the side. Mostly GM stuff and Turbo 400s. That's what I like to mess with. So we got this one here, and I've actually already built this one, and it rolled the Sprag in it, at least I'm pretty sure. So we're gonna pull that apart, put that in a buddy's car, Jason. He's got a turbo Fairmont, badass car. So we're gonna pull that thing apart, see if we can get the direct drum out of it, and then hopefully the Sprag is just rolled and we can put a new direct drum in it, new Sprag, and turn the line pressure down some, because I think it just had too much line pressure. And that's why it rolled the Sprag. So, but anyway, we'll get that done. You guys can check that out. And yeah, we'll see you in the next video, guys.